Do you know the meaning of the English word organize? Let's learn it in just 20 seconds. Today word is organize. Organize means গুছিয়ে রাখা বা সংগঠিত করা। Example sentence, I organize my desk every morning. বাংলা অর্থ হচ্ছে আমি প্রতিদিন সকালে আমার ডেস্ক গুছিয়ে রাখি। Now it is your turn. Can you make a sentence with organize? In the comments. And follow English by Halal for daily English practice. Every word, every day, improve your English step by step, definitely. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.